As the chairman of Vignan, I am very happy to inform all the concerned students, faculty, parents, and the well-wishers of Vignan that we have achieved the great excellence in the placements. So, more than 1,000 students are placed out of 1,250 students. It means we have reached around 80% by this time, and I am sure that we will reach another 10% also in the next 2 months. So this is the greatest achievement for any institution. And more than this, the progress of the student is so excellent. So most of these students are at an average level when they are admitted into the university. Some of them have no EAMCET ranks also, and yes, even then they have progressed so well. More than 80% of them are placed. Not only placed, out of that around 40 to 50 students have placed in the with the salary package of around 10 lakhs. Other 40% are placed with the package of more than 5 lakhs. This is a wonderful achievement for any institution. Naturally, if a bright student with a good EAMCET rank or JEE rank is admitted, and this kind of achievement may be made, that is a very normal thing. But we made it and very successful, from transformed an average student to an excellent student during these 4 years, which that is considered to be the real impact of any institution and real progress of any student. So this is a wonderful achievement. Actually, 2021 is a very glorious period for the institution, because we have achieved this kind of placements for the students. At the same time, we have achieved A+ NAC ranking, and with a score of 3.49 out of 4. This is another achievement for the institution as well. So with all these things, we are working very hard in a very progressive way, and making that our next target would be at least 30 to 40% of the students should be in the package of more than 10 lakhs. So that is a big number, and which is normally dreamt by IIT or some other institution where the students are good. But even if the students are at normal level, at average level, we wish to make it 30% of the students with the big packages, and which would be a wonderful thing. And to achieve this, we have already revised our curriculum in a very drastic way, suitable to the future needs of the industry. And also we have geared up our faculty and all the facilities also in tune with that. I am sure in the coming years, in the next 1 or 2 years, we will make a mark, not only in Andhra Pradesh, in the entire country, how to create excellent progress from every student. So once again, yes, I wish all the best. I really congratulate all the students. I really thankful to all the parents who has reposed a lot of confidence in us and admitted the students in this university. And the first day of the admission itself, all of us promised that we are going to send these boys not only with a degree certificate, with a job. So that is what we have fulfilled. Whatever we said, we have greatly fulfilled all these promises. Yes, with all your good wishes, we are very much sure that we progress in a big way and we march ahead, and we no way inferior to any premier institution and comparable to the national institutions in future. So once again, I congratulate all the students and thank all the parents for the confidence in us. Thank you very much. In other words also, this achievement is a very interesting achievement, because in the last 2 years, the students have passed through turbulent period because of the corona. They have not attended the regular classes more than 9 months. Even then, we have engaged them with a meaningful content and also with our committed faculty members very seriously, so that the outcomes is this beautiful. And this is happening on the occasion of New Year of 2022, and I am sure in the New Year we will go ahead in a big way. And I wish all the students, parents and well-wishers a very happy New Year. And we have passed through this turbulence in the last 2 years. I hope and I wish there won't be any that kind of thing. Though there are rumors of another virus, Omicron, from my side, my advice is be confident, have good food and expose yourselves to some exercise and also to the sunlight. And yes, don't be fear of it continuously, and be active and be happy, be healthy, so that you won't be affected with any kind of corona. I wish you all a very happy and healthy New Year, and I am sure that students won't be affected with this, because they are very energetic, young and energetic, and their immunity system is very good. And I wish that they should continue in a very peaceful way and in a very happy way, so that they can achieve the greater strides. And wish you a very, very happy New Year to all of you.
It gives me immense pleasure to let you all know that 1,000 students of Vignan University are placed in very big companies with a pay package ranging from 3.3 lakhs to 15 lakhs. Each student has bagged 2 to 3 offers, and the number of offers are 1,600 for these 1,000 students. We have companies coming up like Accolade, IBM, KUS Automation, TCS, CTS, Accenture, who have taken lots of students with handsome packages. We are very happy to make you understand that all the students have come from modest background, but they are going out with flying colors even before their 4th year first semester. Most of them have bagged the jobs in companies, the salary package ranging from 3.3 to 15 lakhs. Most of the companies have done online drives. In fact, the training was also given to the students online. There are many more companies lined up to come doing the off-campus drives online for all the core companies, which will be beginning in the 4th year second semester. With this pace, we wanted to see that all the students of Vignan University, mostly 80 to 90%, are placed in good companies with handsome packages. Thank you.